Hello, Sam-ariffic science fans! There's an animal out there that can dig up to 60 centimeters in 15 seconds. It does so by having the nicest nails in the animal kingdom. The animal is the construction worker of the African Savanah, the first word in the English dictionary, and the topic of today's video. Sam-ariffic science fans, today we're gonna unfold the world of aardvarks. Every good construction worker has tools, and for the Aardvark, it's the previously mentioned nicest nails in the animal kingdom. Just look at those. They dig burrows and can hide in them from predators which include lions, pythons, and hyenas, the usual suspects in the African savanna. But the interesting part comes in what happens after they move out. Because after they move out, a lot of other animals will move in. Like, a lot of other animals. Including but not limited to some species of ducks, porcupines, hyenas, pythons, and more. Now, what do all these animals have in common? They can't dig, but live in a hole. Same as I can't build a house, but I do live in one. They rely on somebody else to do it for them. Now I want to look more closely at exactly how they dig their homes. They begin by using their front claws to move the dirt out of the ground, and then they eventually run into a problem that needs a solution. The dirt was piling up behind them, so their back legs push the dirt toward their tail, and then they use their tail to flatten the earth. Now, if it's not the most efficient digger in the world, it's hard, if not impossible, to measure, because exactly how easy it is to dig greatly varies depending on where you live, because what you're digging in varies depending on where you live. But here's where it gets really interesting. They don't just dig to build a home, they dig to get food too. These animals just love digging. They dig into the ground, and from there they have entered anthills, or the homes of some species of termites. But there's more. While some species of termites live underground, some build gigantic mounds, like these, which can be incredibly hard. But with aardvark's lovely nails, they can get in no problem. This actually leads to a fascinating symbiotic relationship between aardvarks and another animal, the aardwolf. But contrary to popular belief, they aren't named after the aardvarks. Aard means earth, and aardwolves do dig in the earth, but not in very hard mounds. Aardvark means earth pig. The aardvark's huge and gorgeous nails are fully capable of breaching termite mounds, but aardwolf's little puppy paws aren't capable of such a thing. So the aardwolf follows the aardvark, and after the aardvark has had its meal of termites and left, the aardwolf has its meal. Now, aardwolves are truly fascinating, but they are topics for another time. So yeah, aardvarks are incredibly helpful. They provide animals with homes and food, and they are simply fascinating species. So keep digging, Sam-ariffic science fans, just like the construction workers of the African savanna.